Thank you very much for joining this session. We will be having weekly webinars throughout this month before I am going to stop online teaching from the 1st of September. Again, what I mean by going to stop an online teaching is that we will be having a new mechanism where you will be able to access me or my colleagues, let's say Sahel or Mullen, by an email. I will let you guys know the way that you will be able to access or approach me. But we'll not be having any weekly webinars moving September. It's going to be monthly webinars. I'm still deciding if it has to be 3 or 2 of them. And the courses will be entirely online. If somebody is struggling, I will try to give them the guidance. But I have announced previously because I've been busy. I'm just training one-to-one students. That's it, or busy with my work. So the online teaching will stop. It will be an online courses only. The online presence will stop eventually. Yes, I'm pretty booked for October also, but let me know, please. Yeah, get in touch. I am booked, by the way, in October. Okay, guys. The whole purpose of these lectures are that if you follow my next few lectures, I am going to tell you exactly how you should be approaching when it comes to scalping, and this is the only way you should approach this, and approach this with consistency, meaning every week, every day, you approach your scalp precisely the way I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to show you today. You understand? Everybody understand? It's significantly important, guys, that you approach this with uniformity every day in the same manner. Well, that will bring the improvements. You will see eventually your results will improve. Make sense? If you keep on changing the methods, then of course you will see the results are not there. You are confused. The whole process is this, that you begin that process the same way every day. You will be doing mistakes. You'll have losses. Now you try to eliminate those losses. Once you learn that you've made the loss, made a mistake, right? Not to repeat that the next day or the following day. And gradually you will, yes, Casey, it's recorded. It will be up. And gradually you will be at a stage where you'll not be repeating any of those mistakes. You understand, guys? It's a process. You have to go through that process. You can't ignore that journey. Make sense? So don't expect yourself to be profitable the first week. But what happened is first week, second week, third week, gradually you eliminate those mistakes. And remember, guys, those mistakes are pretty limited. They're not too many mistakes. You do like certain calculated mistakes every other day. So once you keep on monitoring them and try to eradicate from your trading, and eventually you'll see your trading with perfection. So everybody understand what I just said? Please confirm, guys, by saying yes. Okay, I'm going to start from the basic, and I'm going to go take you through the whole process. Okay, I'll try to show you the whole process, and exactly this is a nutshell of the whole scalping course. By the way, this is everything in my scalping. The approach, the way I've taught you guys, everything is there. So just follow this and try and understand. First of all, I'm going to review the market structure very quickly. This is how you read the raw price action before you go on to approach the scalping. Guys, we have two trends, an uptrend and a downtrend, guys. In an uptrend, anybody tell me what's the definition of an uptrend? In an uptrend, the price makes higher highs, guys, and higher lows. You need to remember, as long as your low holds, the previous low holds, you are in an uptrend. The price can retrace and continue. The price can retrace, continue. Price can retrace, continue. Price can retrace, continue. Price can retrace, continue. Price can retrace all the way and continue. Your presumed next move will be to the upside. You understand this? Adil, listen to me very carefully, please. Everybody understand this, guys? Everybody understands? Yes? Say yes, please. Everyone. If the price breaches the low, the trend changes. So as long as the price fails to break the previous low, guys, right? Fails to break the previous low in an uptrend, you are looking for buying opportunities. You understand? Again, I'm advocating to trade with the trend, but it doesn't matter. You can really trade against the trend as well, as long as you can read the price action. Deborah, you understand what I said? I'm going to discuss very briefly 5 minutes on structure before we move on to the whole process. Everybody understand so far? Yes? An uptrend. In a downtrend, as long as your previous high holds, guys, previous lower high holds, you are in a downtrend. Price can retrace and continue to the downside as long as the price fails to break the previous low, the previous high, lower high. It remains a valid downtrend. Now, Alan, your question is, if you have a wick like this, is it a break? Would you classify this as a break, Alan? Good. For a break, you need a break. For the level to be breached, you need a break, and you need a candle closing outside to confirm a retest. Retest, that's a break. This is where it has been confirmed the level has been breached. I have discussed this in the second video on the price action. On the price action video, break and retest, guys. What is break and retest? The price breaches, close outside, break and retest. You understand? Break, retest. Everybody understands. Alan, you understand, right? The next candle has to close outside that area to confirm the retest and confirm the level has been breached. Okay, good. Let's move on. So guys, in a downtrend, it's pretty simple. As long as price fails to break the previous low, it's a downtrend. In a downtrend, price makes lower high, guys. Every high will be lower than the previous, and this is a definition of a downtrend. When the price breaches this, that's it. The trend has changed. In an uptrend, the price makes higher low, guys. When the price breaches that, the trend is changed. Everybody understand the concept of an uptrend and a downtrend. Preston, Alan, everybody say yes. Adil, yes, that's right. Good. I need another person. Munawar Saab, you understand? Okay. Now, guys, see this. In an uptrend, these are the levels that you are concerned with. I'm precisely taking you to the entries. One is the level which is your previous low. This confirms where the structure is, right? Everybody understand why I marked this level on the chart? Yes? Yes? Good. The second level is your previous high the price has breached. Everybody understand this? Yes? Guys, before you trade, you may have to make a trading plan. Before you even begin trading, you have to make a trading plan. Now, let's say if that is the day, that is where the day begins. My trading plan, I'm assuming a trading plan with the trend. My trading plan is this. The price will retrace, normal retracement, and continue to the upside. Or the price will retrace all the way and continue to the upside. The second retracement is called deeper retracement. It could be anywhere below the previous high and the structure, above the structure. Everybody understand my trading plan for this day? Yes? Guys, please confirm my trading plan. Everybody understand my trading plan? Yes? And this is the third trading plan. Price breached the previous low. I will be looking for selling opportunities. This is the trading plan. You need to have the trading plan in place even before you begin trading, because when you're trading, you won't have enough time to make the trading plans. You understand? In a downtrend, sorry. In the downtrend, guys, the first level is significant is your structure, the previous low, and the lower low, guys. The price is breached. Normal retracement will be this. Casey, take care, brother. I'll have the recording for you. The normal retracement will be this. Deeper retracement could be anywhere, guys. This is my trading plan. And the price breaches, and I'll start buying here. Please confirm if everybody understand this. Please confirm, guys, if you understand this. Everybody confirms, yes. Okay, good. Just give me a second, please, guys. 2 minutes. Okay, everybody can hear me, right? Please confirm if you guys can hear me. Guys, please confirm if you guys understand the trading plan in an uptrend and the trading plan in a downtrend. Everybody confirms by saying yes. So, guys, what I'm trying to say is this. Manovar Saab, please confirm. I want to know if you're understanding this. Guys, again, it's a whole revision of the whole training, but again, you will watch each video a few times and then go on to approach in this way. You'll see the effectiveness. Guys, remember something. This is very important what I am saying you. Even before you start trading, you need to have the trading plan in place. You need to have an areas of entry and exits in place. You cannot just decide those areas during the course of the market movement. Because when market moves and you don't have a trading plan, you are highly manipulated by the market movements. Your mind is influenced by the movement. You understand? So any trading plan that you're trying to make during the course of the movement might not be a rational trading plan or an objective trading plan. It might be influenced by the market movement. Please confirm if you guys understand the point that I've made. Okay, good. How you should be approaching this. The first thing is H1 at H1. Identify market structure, guys, and mark your levels. Mark your secondary levels, guys. Everybody understand this. What are those levels? Area, your previous high or a previous low, guys, which is a structure. Mark that level with a zone and with a different color line, the previous high in an uptrend or the previous low in a downtrend. You guys understand this? Exactly the areas that I've selected. I'm going to show you exactly. See this. In an uptrend, that's what I want to mark, right, guys? With a zone, that's my structure. And that's my high. Everybody understand this? Please confirm, guys. Everybody confirm. Saying yes, everybody understand this. And in a downtrend, I'm marking the previous high and I'm marking the previous low. Everybody understand these are secondary levels, guys. Everybody understand? Please say yes. And then you know the trading plan. My trading plan is this. Everybody understand this? Say yes, please, guys. So please confirm the stage one, identify the market structure, make a trading plan. I'm going to make a trading plan for you in a second, but I want you to understand it's not a myth. It's not so wide to understand. It's very limited. And if you keep on practicing this every day, you'll get used to it. You understand, guys? You will get used to it, right? So please confirm if everybody understand this, please. So H1, market structure, and mark your levels, secondary levels. Then on H1, trap the price. Then on 15 minutes or 5 minutes, execute the trade as per your trading plan. Everybody understand this, guys? I'm going to practically show you this. I'm discussing stage 1, which is identifying the market structure and marking your secondary levels. Everybody understand this? Say yes, guys. This is precisely the scalping training. I'm keeping it very simple, guys, so everybody can trade successfully, by the way. I'm trying to keep it very simple. Okay, guys, let's move forward. Now I'm going to explain it to you this, guys. I'm still discussing market structure, guys. Very important. Understand this principle. This is your H1. The price came up, the price went down, the price came up and went up. Everybody understand? Let's say that was the move on an H1 time frame. Everybody understand this? Say yes. Keep writing yes, guys. So I want to see if you guys are with me. Guys, if this is a move on an H1, tell me how the price can go to the upside on H1. What is happening within H1? Anyone? What's happening on 15 minutes, neighboring time frame? If the price is going to the upside, anyone? You have a bullish structure on 15 minutes, hence the price is rising on an H1, guys. Very simple principle. Try understand this. Understands? Everybody understands, right? 15 minutes, right? Everybody understand this. Okay, good. Now, guys, you see on an H1, the price came down. What has happened on 15 minutes time frame that brought the price down? Tell me, guys, what do you want to see on 15 minutes? You want to see now a bearish structure on 15 minutes for the price to come down. So what has happened? The price breached the structure and came down. Break of structure and it's coming down. Everybody understand this point, guys? Please confirm. This is the first case scenario, guys. Now let's consider the second case scenario, guys. Price been rising to this level on 15 minutes in a bullish structure. Everybody understand this? That is the only way the price can rise. Please confirm, guys. Everybody understand this? Yes? Now, guys, in this situation, the price never reversed and continued to the upside. So what has happened here? Yes, Alex, I'll come to this. First, understand the principle, Alex, please. What has happened here, guys? What has happened here? Now, forget the break and retest. We're just discussing market structure. As far as the 15-minute structure is concerned, what has happened different here that the price continued to go to the upside as compared to this? Anyone? Exactly. There was never a breach. There was never a bearish structure. Price has continued to move in a bullish structure, guys. Please confirm, guys, if you understand this principle. Very simple principle, guys. Good. We are approaching towards our main objective of entries and exits. I'll discuss this on the charts in a second. Understand the principle first. Without understanding the principle, it's a waste of time on the charts. Now, guys, so what we learn is if this is an area and the price is going up, and one of the world's famous traders tells you that the price is going to reject and will fall to the downside from this area, then when that move to the downside is confirmed, guys, tell me, anybody would tell me. If this is an H1 time frame, price is going up. One of the traders says price will reverse from this area, guys. So tell me when exactly when I will see a break of structure or I will see a bearish structure, then only it is confirmed the price is going down. Pretty simple principles. If the price is rising, price will be rising in a bullish structure. And then guys, see this bullish structure, and then you have this range movement. Everybody understand this range movement, right? Guys, what structure is there so far? What is the structure? Anybody tell me, what is the structure right now? It's bullish structure. Okay. Guys, I see bearish engulfing candlestick. I see shooting star. I see another bearish engulfing. I see another shooting star. I see hundreds of shooting stars, fully bearish candlesticks formation, but price is still above this level. What does it mean? Has the move to the downside been confirmed? Anyone? Guys, it's still bullish. Candlesticks formation, if you see the candlesticks formation, bearish candlestick formation at the resistance level, it's an indication of an heads up, right? But there's no move confirmed until and unless the price breaches the structure. Everybody understand this, guys? Until this breach has taken place, forget to the downside move. You understand, guys? Please confirm if everybody understand the principle, please. Guys, this is the principle you will be applying every day to trade. I'm going to show you in a second. But please, before I apply, I want you to tell me if you understand the principle. Preston, you understand the principle? Preston, Munawar Saab, Adil, you understand the principle? Okay. Guys, now remember, there are two kinds of entries in your trading. One is aggressive. The second is confirmed. Confirmed is also extreme high probability. It's never confirmed in Forex, by the way. Your confirmed entry will be after the break of structure. And an aggressive entry will be when the structure has not been breached, but you can see the candlesticks formation on that particular level. Let's say if this is pivot and the price came and you see a shooting star. So if you take a trade based on this shooting star on the pivot, thinking the price will go down, price still in a bullish structure, it's an aggressive entry. You understand, guys? Break without a break of structure, just based on candlesticks and level, it's an aggressive entry. Guys, after the break of structure, it's a confirmed entry. So please confirm if you understand. There are two kinds of trade that you'll always be taking: aggressive entries and confirmed entries. And I do take aggressive entries, guys. The reason is because if I make 100 pips, I'll take my chances. You understand? I like to take my chances, guys. You understand? I always do this. You will be doing this in time, guys. Everybody, please confirm this. Please confirm this, guys. Everybody confirm me, please. Guys, I've been scalping. This is the scalping that I did this month. And I wasn't trading. Okay, guys, see my consistency. I do have losses. This is my sister's account, which see the consistency, guys. It's not about the money. It's not about anything. The point is, see my consistency, guys. Please, see my consistency. It's one lot, mean if you see 71, it's 7 pips. If you see 103, it's 10 pips. 5 pips, 16 pips, 17 pips, 13 pips, 16 pips, 18 pips. See this, guys. This is the month of July, by the way. I literally made 800 around 900 pips. And I wasn't trading, guys. Please confirm if everybody understand this. So guys, listen to me what I am teaching. The whole point to show you is this, that you have to believe in the method. It's just like you're taking a medicine, and if you don't believe that the medicine will cure your disease, the medicine will never work. It's not a coincidence that this has been so consistent like this. It is consistent because it works. You understand, guys? See this, guys. It's very consistent, by the way. I wasn't trading much. I've been extremely busy with other things. Look at the consistency. Yes. using the same method, you will find yourself being profitable. Okay, let's move on. So guys, please confirm if you understand the two time frame structural analysis. Please confirm, guys. Everybody confirms. Preston, do you understand? Manavar Saab, do you understand? So guys, if I'm going to take a sell trade here, then what I want to see, guys, anybody, anyone, break of structure, exactly, sir. That's where it's confirmed. Even I see candlesticks, it's an aggressive entry. It's not a confirmed entry because price can rise. Price can keep on raging for 15, 16 minutes with full bearish candlesticks formation and eventually go to the upside. You want to see the break of structure, guys. Everybody understand this point. Say yes. Preston, Munawwar, Adil, Austin, everybody, Ivan. Okay, good. Guys, now the most important thing, what I'm going to discuss is this. You will not be able to see this structural analysis with clarity at all times. You will browse the pairs that you see the clarity in structure is the one you trade, and the rest of them you just ignore. You understand? Because at times you will not have the clarity. So accept this fact. Do not always look for perfection of structure on the charts. You understand, guys? You don't see the clarity. Don't try to dig the clarity out of it. Just move on to the next pair. Make sense? Everybody understand this point? It's a very important point that I'm trying to make here. Please confirm if you understand this. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the principle before I start giving you the rules and everything. Let me show you the principle which I've discussed on the charts now. Okay, guys, H1 time frame. What time frame is this? I'm identifying the structure, guys, on H1. Everybody understand? Please say yes. Everybody say yes, please. Everybody understand this? Yes? Preston, you understand? Munawwar Saab, you understand? Adil, you understand, guys? Eston, you understand? Elvis, Haroon, you understand? Jack, Khudayar, do you understand? Manuel, Orlando, you understand? Preston. Guys, where is the break of structure? On an H1. I'm just going to show you the break of structures, guys. Everybody confirm if you guys understand. I identify the structure and showing you the break of structures on the charts. Please, if everybody understand this, guys. Yes, on an H1, you'll see often break of structures, guys. It happens frequently, by the way. Makes sense? Sometimes you have the clarity, sometimes you don't have the clarity. Pretty simple, guys. Everybody understand this? Please say yes, please. Everybody, if everybody understand this. Let's see another chart now. This is Euro US dollar H1. Yes, Austin, you won't see a break of clarity of structure in all time frames at all times. Your question was this: if this is, look, as long as your previous low is holding, right? Presume this is an uptrend. You understand? Range stroke uptrend stroke range. You understand, Preston? This was the answer. Okay. Now, guys, let's do the same exercise on this. Everybody understand this, right, guys? Everybody understand this. Structural levels, previous low, previous low, previous low, previous low. So what is the structure? Exactly, it's an uptrend. Price never breached the structure. When the breach will take place, if the price breaks this level, guys, that's your break. Everybody understand, I'm trying to show you how to approach the charts with the structure, and you need to know, you need to learn to identify the break of structures as well. Everybody understand this? Say yes, please. Guys, we are moving towards entries, by the way. In a second, I'm going to show you. It's all going to make sense. Finally, let me show you another chart. Guys, I'm going to show you a break of structure as well in this. Every time the price makes a high which is lower than the previous high, everybody understand so far? Please confirm by saying yes. What is the structure? C. Everybody confirms? Good. Then see, now see this. What has happened? Price breaches the previous high, guys. Can you see this? This is the break of structure. Price breaches, that's confirmed. Then what? What is the structure right now? Anybody tell me the structure, please? What is the structure now? Anybody tell me what is the structure now? What is the structure now, Peter? Peter, it's a bearish structure. Price has breached the previous low, guys. Come on, it's a bearish structure right now. That is the bullish structure here. This was bearish structure, bullish structure. Now it's a bearish structure. Everybody understand this? Peter, you understand this? Okay. Peter. Yes, okay, good. Now, guys, what happened? What is the structure now? This is my previous high. What is the structure right now? Tell me, anybody. What is the structure right now, guys? Anyone? Up till now, what is the structure? Bullish, thank you. Okay, good. What is the structure now, guys? Anybody tell me what happened today? Good. So, guys, everybody understand how to approach the charts while identifying the structure and then go on to see the break of structures. You should be able to successfully identify the structure and also will able to see the break of structures. Everybody understand? Yes? Guys, just remember, sometimes you won't see with clarity. Sometimes you're not going to see with clarity the break of structures. If you don't see the clarity, move on to the next pair. Don't trade that pair. You understand? Yes, Christian, ask your question.
Yes, today I was trading GJ and I was on the buy. Do you see like this lower high before it dropped? Before it dropped, yeah. So I entered, yes.
It was in a
Yes.
bullish structure. You're right.
Yes. I entered. I was like 40 pips. I secured 10 pips because I was waiting for it to touch my pivotal level. But is it like kind of a greed? I should have booked my profits because it didn't breach the previous high.
Look, question. You had a high impact news. When you have an interest rates are the highest impact news, guys. You can gamble. You can never gamble the news. Forget the gamble. High impact news. You guys cannot predict the news with this knowledge. Forget it. So, guys, when you're trading your live money, do not trade the high impact news. Let me tell you why. Try and understand. It's not about profit and losses. I can tell you, follow the technicals. The news came in. If it's good, if it works towards technical, good happy days, right? Okay, let's put it this way. Try and understand. The problem is why I'm saying not to trade that news. Not interest rates, at least, like not Friday Fed. I'll tell you the reason. Guys, these news, you will see the stop loss will not trigger often. Even you have a stop loss, it won't trigger. It happens to me 15 times, by the way. It happens to normal, my friends, colleagues, traders. And guys, your broker will never reimburse you the money. It's not their responsibility. Why they won't return you the money? The problem is the price moves in have you not seen when the Fed comes in, when the news comes in, your system jams for a second? Have you not noticed this ever? Have you not, somebody came across this?
Yes.
Guys, okay, that means your stop loss is going to trigger. You understand? And then done. If you wipe out your account, your broker is not bound to give you the money back. That's not the rules in any broker apart from few Swiss franc banks in the world, because they can't do it anything themselves. So advice is stay away from it. You understand? My advice is if I'm trading with serious money, hard-earned money, I'm not going to take the chances, guys. I need smooth movement to make the money, not the risky, not the gamble. This is the gamble. I don't like to gamble. If this is your mindset, this news will come straight away. I'll make 100 grand. This is the gamble. This is not a business approach, guys. Business approach is consistent profits, right? Yes, after the news you can trade. After the news, yes, you can trade. But guys, I'll come to this in a second. Let's focus on the trading. So everybody understands how to identify the structure and how to see the break of structures. Please confirm. Yes, you can. Guys, okay, guys, I'm going to practically demonstrate you right now with the point that I was making, the movement on H1 and what's happening within. Now I'm going to show you this practically. Okay, guys, everybody's ready? I hope you're enjoying the session. Okay, everybody's ready, right? This is what I said. If the price going down, 15 minutes, you will see price in a bearish structure. If the price going up on H1, you will see bullish structure. Let's see this. Guys, the price rising from here. Can you see this? So this is the movement. Can you see this movement? Everybody see this movement, right? And guys, this area, H1, the price is rising. Everybody understand this? Please confirm, guys, if you understand this, what I've just said. Guys, so based on what I discussed earlier, I want to see bullish structure on 15 minutes, bullish structure on 15 minutes. So bearish structure, then bullish structure. So guys, before that, price was coming down, bearish structure, then bullish structure, bearish structure, then bullish structure. Exactly, this is what I was saying. Yes? Everybody agrees, right? Good. I'm taking you to 5 minutes time frame even. Just guys, give me a second. I want to show you visually very clean. Okay, good. That's fine. My apologies, guys. Just give me a second. Let me set it up for you. It will have more clarity. Okay, guys, on the left side, I have an H1, and on the right side, I have 5 minutes. Everybody understand this, right? Everybody understand this, right? Now, guys, first of all, we're going to focus on this, the point that I was trying to make. What I said, the price came up and the price came down. Everybody understand this, right? So when I say up, I want to see bullish structure. When I say down, I want to see the bearish structure. Yes, everybody agrees? Guys, see the structure with me on this. Everybody understand what was the structure on 5 minutes, guys? What is the structure on 5 minutes? Good. Everybody understand this, right? Now, guys, what happened on H1 is price fell to the downside, right, guys? What I want to see on H1 is 5 minutes is a bearish structure. Yes? Yes, guys, the price went to the downside. Only possible when it's a bearish structure. Just focus with me on this. Guys, what is the structure right now? What is the structure right now? Bullish. Good. Guys, what is the structure right now? Bearish. Everybody understand this, the point that I'm trying to make. Please confirm, guys, if you understand this. I'm showing you practical demonstration. You will see this happening more than 85%. Sometimes you won't see the clarity. Guys, the price came down all the way to this level. What is the structure on the right side? Anybody tell me? High was never breached. Can you see this? Everybody see this? The whole move, the high was never breached. Please confirm, guys, if you understand this. Everybody understand this. Everybody understand this. Now, guys, what happened? The price went up, right? What I want to see on 5 minutes time frame, let's say. Break of structure and bullish structure. Good. Break of structure has taken place. Everybody understand this, right? Good. Guys, price is going to bounce from this area. You will see the bullish structure. Just see this. Price came down, again bullish structure. Price came down, again bullish structure. The price will only rise in a bullish structure. Can you see this, guys? Make sense? Everybody understand this? We had a range movement here. Yes, that's fine. But if the price has to go up, it will break the previous high in the bullish structure. The point that I'm trying to make is this. You will see the price moving in a bullish structure. Just see this, guys. When it will lift, it will be bullish structure. Everybody understand, guys? It never changes even on 5 minutes time frame. Everybody understand this? What is the structure? So, guys, do you understand the point that I was trying to make earlier? Have you seen the practical demonstration of this? Go back test this for a few charts, maybe 100 charts. You will have the confidence. And I suggest strongly you guys should practice this on at least 100 charts. Everybody understand this? Say yes, please. Come on. Preston, do you understand? Adil, do you understand? Okay, good. And Munawar Saab, do you understand this? 100 times, do this exercise 100 times, guys. You don't have to do 100 currencies. This is one exercise. This is second exercise. This third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Make sense? Sixth. Okay, guys. So everybody understand, guys. The first question is when a trade is confirmed from a level. Tell me if it's a resistance. I'm asking you a question. If this is a resistance, price is coming up on an H1. What I want to see to begin with on 15 minutes or 5 minutes to take a sell trade. Anyone? Break of structure. Good. Price will continue go to the upside if there is no break of structures. Everybody understand this? Yes? Candlesticks formation begins to happen on that area is an indication of an heads up. but it does not always means the price will reverse. And if you just take a trade without a break of structure based on candlesticks formation and an area, which I normally most of the time take, then guys, it's a risky trade. It's not a confirmed trade. If you had a loss, accept that loss. Don't be surprised. Everybody understand this, what I just said. Preston, you understand this? Adil, you understand this? Everybody understand this, guys? Yes? Guys, do you want to practice this? What I personally think, that I rather leave you guys with this practice for until next week, and then next week we'll discuss further what you suggest. It's a lot to grab if I keep on speaking. In my opinion, you need to practice this. What do you guys think? Preston, guys, I personally think, guys, Preston, practice this again and again. Honestly speaking, in the next lecture, we'll take it from here until the end. I strongly believe, guys, there is no point in I show you guys all the way, and you guys don't even have the control over it. Try and understand, guys. Our objective is for you to be successful traders. 2 sessions will complete the process. What you guys, you need practice. Yes, I think this is what I suggest. I want every one of you to do this exercise. This is exercise. You on H1, this is the first exercise. This is a first exercise. I want to see this. On an H1, you have to identify the structure, guys. On an H1, identify the structure like this. I want to see this exercise. Identify the structure on H1. Exactly, this is what I want to see. Exactly what I want to see, guys. In time, you will have an eye for finding the structure. You won't even need this. In time, it comes with practice. It comes with practice. It has to be a reaction, some sort of reaction. I'll discuss this in a second. And guys, once you've done this, then I want you guys to show me the break of structures, please. So I want to show me BOS, right? BOS here, right? BOS here, break of structure, right? BOS here, and right BOS here. Everybody understand this exercise, please. We'll discuss this, Orlando, in the next session. Don't let confuse others, right? Just focus on what I'm teaching today. Practice for a week. I'll come to this next week. Trust me. Preston, stop losses are nearly 7 pips to 10 pips, 20 pips maximum. I'll discuss all of that, Preston. Take it stage by stage, Preston. Guys, you will never become a trader just based on watching this and believing you understand. It's literally like you're going to drive the car and you watch a video how they teach you how to drive, and you can never become a driver. You need to practice. You understand? You understand, guys? Okay, now focus. Everybody understand this assignment. Guys, how do you select a structure? Guys, select the level of reactions. There has to be some sort of reaction. Can you see this reaction? Can you see this reaction? See this reaction, reaction. Everybody see these reactions, right? It has to be some sort of significant reaction. It should not be this. This is too small. Too small. It has to be some sort of reaction. You will see them on the charts that the price moves like this. It won't be like this. Would you draw the box at the high of the candle from the body? Look, it's just from here. I'm just marking this. What marking from the wicks or the body is not significant. Try understand the principle. You understand, guys? Of course, I'm marking the low of the candle. Low has to be a wick. Make sense? Adil, make sense? Guys, so once you identify structure, look for the break of structure. That is the first exercise. And then second exercise is this, guys. So this is the second exercise. Do it by yourself on H1. See an area the price is rising from. Let's say this. And practice this. See this. And then, guys, see the area where the price has been falling. Go on 5 or 15 minutes time frame, guys, and see how the structure has changed. The point that I was making, it has to be a bullish structure. Just see this, guys. Can you see this? Bearish structure. Everybody see this? And the bullish structure. Please, guys, can you see this principle? Everybody see this principle? Please confirm, guys, if you see this principle. Do you understand? This is the principle that you have to practice by yourself on the charts at least 100 times, guys. You want to make a living out of Forex. You think that it can change your life. Then, guys, if you're telling me that you're not practicing 100, 150 charts, then don't try over milk that you are not able to become successful traders. Make sense? Guys, I had Christian, a student of mine. He has been practicing for a few weeks. He wasn't successful, practicing every day, practicing. He was seeking my counsel in practicing. And trust me, today he is picking the momentum. I've seen many students, but it comes with practice. It's literally like you have the driving test, right, guys? We have in UK the driving test, practically driving test, right? Driving the car. But we do have a CD which teaches you how to drive the car. You can never become a trader or learn you can never become a driver or learn how to drive the car by just watching that video CD, right? You need to practice with an instructor. You understand? You need to book a few hours with an instructor. Practically practice, you understand? Eliminates the mistakes, you understand? And then you became that driver. You understand, guys? Or ready for the driving test. Similarly, you can never become a trader just based on listening my lecture. Try and understand. It has to be. There has to be practice. You guys understand this? Guys, please confirm if you understand this. I will be discussing the primary trades, high probability class A trades from structures, and I will be discussing the secondary class B trades from non-structural levels. So that comprises your answers. Yes. Secondary setups, class B. That's right. Best said. Well done. Yes. I'll be discussing both of them. The blind trades normally are not a class A trades, guys. Guys, let's see this. Let me reiterate on this. Guys, you see this, right? Everybody see this, right? Right now. Yes? Guys, for this move to go to the upside, what do you want to see on in 5 or 15 minutes time frame? Anyone? Very simple, guys. It should start making sense to you now. I want to see a clean break of structure, guys. This is not precisely how we trade, but the point I'm trying to make is, guys, this is how you approach the charts. That's it. You understand? Everybody understand this, guys? So any idiot, if is taking a trade, even looking at the hammers, what kind of entry would that be? Aggressive entry. It is an entry. We take an entry on scalping. I take an entry like this. I didn't make all that profit by waiting for the break of structures. Again, guys, you to begin this journey, let's focus on confirm entries. Make sense? Say this. Price is here. I want to see the break of this before it confirms and move to the upside. Or otherwise, this would happen. This has been happening. Make sense? See this, guys. Do you guys understand this? Do you guys, do you understand the principle, how you're approaching the charts? You understand? Trust me, follow what I am saying. I will not be there to teach, but trust me, you'll always remember me because you'll always have control over the charts. You'll not be gambling. You know precisely what's happening. Again, you'll have times when the price will return. I will discuss that. I'll discuss this. In time, I'll discuss this. It's not going to be 100%. It's more than 85%. Backtest yourself. This is whole week. Stop trading. Stop trading. Backtest what I'm teaching you. At least 100 or 150 pips. Charts. Do you guys understand? Everyone, guys, forget trading for a week. Please. Okay, Munawar Saab, you can ask me a question. You can speak. It's fine. Guys, what's happening here? Do you see what's happening here? You guys understand, guys? So tell me, will you not be selling in this? Guys, I took this trade today, by the way. I don't just trade with the structure. I trade very advanced level, but this is how you should approach. It's all about approaching. It's not about the knowledge. It's not about your ability to enter. Your approach has to be right first before anything else. Now, guys, the price can do two things. This is my trading plan. I'm giving you a trading plan. What do you mean by this? Okay, Munawar Saab, you're asking me something. Go on, sir. Alex, I'll show this in the next session. I don't want to include pivots, so manipulate the guy's mind. Let's focus and practice what I've taught you today, guys. Please practice for a week. Next week we'll take it from here till the end. You understand, guys? It's for your advantage. The art is not that I show you everything. The art is that you get that thing first. Understand, Alex? Alex, let's leave it to this until we will commence right from here until the end in the next session. But what I want from you guys is, honestly, guys, please, I request you. This is what I want to see from you guys. Please, guys, practice this on at least 100 or 150 charts. Two things. Identifying the structure, yes, Lorenzo, there will be a record. Identify the structure and identify the break of structure. First exercise. Second exercise is, guys, this. That you see how the price moves between two times. Pick a level, how the price moves in 5 or 15 minutes. Two exercises. Please confirm if everybody understands your exercises. Saying yes, please. Just say yes once, please. Everybody. Adil, Munawar Saab.
Yes, sir. You can listen me.
Yes, go on.
Sometimes structure breaks two times, bearish to bullish, and then bullish to bearish. It doesn't continue same structure.
Yes, I will be discussing this in the next lecture. This is what I said. Not every structure break is an entry, guys. I've been saying this. Not every structural break, you're right. Not every structural break is an entry. Understand? It doesn't mean that at every structural break you take an entry. You just don't take an entry like this. But the way I'm going to teach you how to enter the trade in the next session, it'll make a lot of sense. It will bring up this question. The question will be addressed in the next session. Right now, just practice what I've taught you. Do not expect yourself to be 100% on structural breaks. Guys, on H1, structural breaks takes place often, sometimes very quickly after a short time. Just see this. Let me give you a good example. Structural breaks takes place and again breaks takes place. So you just have this area, guys. This, and then again breaks takes place. So you had a very small room, right? So this is exactly what you're saying is right. On H1, you sometimes have a very less time between two structural changes. It's fine, guys. We need our 20 pips, 10 pips, 11 pips. I will teach you precisely how you should be approaching this. Yes, I'll be discussing that in the next lecture. I'll be discussing this now. Guys, see this. Try and understand this. What is my average trade? Average trade. Tell me, anybody, what is my average holding trade? Guys, remember, when it says 100, 10 pips. Look at my average trade. 10 pips, yes, exactly. See, because you're scalping, guys. But the advantage in this kind of trading is, I will teach you how to be opening 2 trades. One keep on closing, opening, closing, and one you keep it open. I will teach you this so you can make the most out of it. And as far as your question is concerned, Munawwar Sahab, you're absolutely right, sir. Exactly. If you trade higher time frames, the structure does not happen often. It happens once, happens after a few weeks. You understand? So then,
Yes.
the whole point of the time frame is to capitalize on those breaks. We need the breaks to take place again and again and again and again, so we can have the opportunities to enter again and again and again and again. Makes sense, guys? That's the whole point of scalping, to have the opportunities to keep on re-entering into the market again and again and again. Makes sense, guys? Yes? Don't be afraid of it. Okay, guys.
Yes. Sometimes structure breaks and no retest happens.
Now, if Munawwar Sahab, if you don't have the retest, you don't take an entry. Let me give you a good example, guys. This is the level, price breaches, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Guys, these are all examples of break and retest. Which ones are tradable? This is tradable. This is the best trade. These 2 are not tradable, by the way. Why? Let me tell you. What happened on the candlesticks? One candle, the next candle close here. So it's slightly distance from the area it breaches. The first candle breaches, this candle close here, very distance from the level. This candle breaches, this candle close here, close to the level. This candle breaches, this candle closes right next to the level. All of these are break and retest, but if you are trading, you will be trading this break and retest, this break and retest. You won't be trading this because it's not to the level. Your risk and reward is not good. It's not close to the level. Your reward is not good. So every break of structure is going to be your entry. This is the point I'm trying to make. You understand? Guys, you're not going to be trading based on break of structures, by the way. You're using the break of structure to identify the directional move of the market. I will be teaching you the rules of entries. I discussed that in my training. I'll discuss this later tomorrow in the next lecture again. But the break of structure is the way that you decide the directional move of the market, the direction of the market. Make sense? Everybody understand what I said? Munawwar Sahab, do you understand my point?
Yes, sir, understand. I understand your point.
Let's say this is the level, right? One candle breaches. Next close here. One candle breaches, next candle close here. One candle breaches, next candle close here. One candle breaches. Let's say this is the structure. One candle breaches, next candle close here. Guys, I will be trading this. I will not be trading this. I will not be trading this. So of course, not every break is an entry. Not every break of a structure could be an entry. You guys understand this? Everybody, this question about trend lines, I will discuss this, guys. Guys, I'm not trying to increase the substance here. I'm trying to focus on what I've taught, and this is a very good question asked by the student. Not every break, this is what I said earlier, not every break of a structure is an entry. Simple. Let me tell you guys, there was no entry today. You couldn't even have taken an entry unless you had a pending order today. Let me show you this. Let me show you a good example. This is your structure. Everybody agrees?
Yes,
guys, this is the break. This is the break. The first candle breaches. You see this? My apologies. You see this? Classic example. You could never take a trade on this until you had a pending order, by the way. This which is, it closed here. And this candle closed here, guys. Would you be taking an entry here? Anybody tell me? If the break of the level. Do you understand the principle, right? Good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Just see this. Let me give you another example. Let's say this is the level. The first candle breaks, the next candle close outside. Would you take an entry on this?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Probably. Ivan, it's not probably. You'll say yes. I want you to be certain. You can't be uncertain. Say yes. Yes or no. It has to be yes or no. Forget what will happen after this. Say yes or no. You stick to the principles of trading that you follow. You understand, Ivan? You don't confuse yourself. The confidence is the share thing. This is why I strongly suggest to everyone, you need mentors, by the way. My personal advice is, this is the best way to become a trader, because I can drive by myself after reading the book. It might take me longer, because even if I'm driving right, I wouldn't have the confidence if that is the right way. You understand? Until I drive for a longer period of time. But when you have a mentor, he tells you, do this and practice this 150 times. You have to believe even before you begin that practice that this method will work, because the mentor has already used that method and he's been successful. So yes, I strongly suggest, guys, remember, you are making a living from Forex, right? You're thinking to make millions and thousands and hundreds of pounds. But of course, it's not so much easy craft that somebody can just take and learn in the house. I'm not criticizing. You can definitely learn. A lot of people became traders, but it will take you time. Like it will take any person to become a successful driver by practicing himself, not with an instructor, period. Make sense? Guys, you don't need another mentor. Trust me. What I am teaching you, you will never need me. I have literally more than 100 students above 100 grand. I have more than 16, 17 students above 500 grand traders, by the way, making more money than me because they're more passionate. I'm not passionate in my trading. I am calmed down, relaxed now. I've been trading for years. I've relaxed now. I'm doing other things. So guys, trust me, you don't need me anymore once you finish learning this process. It is a process. It is just like becoming a driver. Pass the driving test. You have an instructor, you practice, become a driver. Don't expect yourself to become that successful driver who can pass the test the first day after just getting the knowledge. It has to be practiced. Make sense? Okay, just based on break and retest. Yes, Bhaijan, I will definitely enter the trade. Break. I will not enter on this, but I will enter on this candlestick. You understand? I am just showing you on the break on retest. I'm not telling you what's here. So I'm just telling you, if I would have taken an entry based on the rules of pure break and retest, yes, on this candlestick, because price came down, it retested. Not on these candlesticks, because it's at distance from the level. Sometimes what happened, the price breaches, the candles keeps going up, you don't get an entry. Sometimes price breaches and the price comes back. You take an entry and it fly again. I will be discussing entries, Preston. Right now, just focus on the multiple structural analysis that what I've taught. Try to practice, try to gain the knowledge, gain the experience, feel of it on the charts. Everybody, at least 50 charts, ideally 150 charts, please. Everybody, guys, you expect yourself to work for you to change your future, right? There's to work for you to change your future, right? Yes? Then guys, please do the practice. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Do leave your feedback on my Facebook. I will have another session next week. We will have a small revision of this session before we start to the next stage. I would definitely like to see your feedback, guys. Thank you very much and good night.